Hi all, welcome to another exciting episode of Turkey series Antalya. Antalya is a city located on the southwestern coast of Turkey, overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. The city has a Mediterranean climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters, making it a popular year-round tourist destination. Antalya has beautiful beaches with crystal clear waters. Konyaaltı and Lara Beach are among the popular ones. The Duden Waterfalls, both upper and lower, are natural wonders near Antalya. The lower Duden Waterfalls cascades directly into the Mediterranean Sea. Antalya offers a vibrant shopping scene with traditional bazaars and modern shopping malls. The city also has a lively nightlife with a variety of bars and clubs. We started our day exploring sandland at Lara Beach. Sandland is one of the must-see places in Antalya where art, creativity and fun come together. It's an open-air museum where sand sculptures made by artists from all over the world are exhibited. It has different theme each year. It's one of the world's most prestigious sand sculpting events, considering the width of the area, the number of the artists participating, and the amount of sand used. Sandland covers about 10,000 square meters on the world-famous Lara Beach in Antalya. You can see splendid sculptures made out of sand with a brand new theme every year. There are hundreds of sand sculptures in various sizes exhibited with approximately 50 sub-themes. Sandland's motto is the world's most fantastic museum. You can find mythological characters from all over the world made out of sand. Children can enjoy a play area with kinetic sand and spend time with various exciting activities to increase creativity. Sandland is open all year long. You can visit every day and the visiting hours changes according to the season. During the summer, May to October, it's open from 9 am to 10 pm, and during the winter, November to April, it's open from 9 am to 7 pm. After exploring sand sculptures, we slowly moved to our next place, Duden Waterfalls. The Duden Waterfalls, both upper and lower, are natural wonders in Antalya. We visited Upper Duden Waterfalls, which is situated in the northern part of Antalya, Turkey, and are part of the Duden River. Before heading to Upper Duden Waterfalls, we took a small break and had authentic Turkish pide. One unique feature of the Upper Duden Waterfalls is a cave situated behind the falling water, allowing visitors to walk behind the cascading curtain of water. This creates a memorable and immersive experience. The Upper Duden Waterfalls are easily accessible from the city center of Antalya, making them a popular natural attraction for both locals and tourists. There are usually amenities and facilities near the Upper Duden Waterfalls, including cafes, picnic areas and walking paths, making it a comfortable and enjoyable destination for a day trip. After visiting Duden Waterfalls, we went to Kursunlu Waterfalls, which are located 19 kilometers northeast of Antalya city center in Turkey. The waterfalls are part of the Kursunlu Nature Park, providing visitors with the opportunity to explore and enjoy the diverse flora and fauna in the area. Waterfalls are fed by a series of small lakes and streams that originate from underground springs, contributing to the crystal clear and cool water flow. Kursunlu Nature Park offers well-maintained walking trails, allowing visitors to explore the natural beauty of the area and providing access to different viewpoints of the waterfalls. After checking out the waterfalls, we headed to Muratpaşa, which is situated in the central part of Antalya, making it a hub for both residential and commercial activities. The area has different shopping choices, including old markets, new malls, and local stores for both locals and visitors. This place offers a variety of dining options with restaurants, cafes, and eateries serving both traditional Turkish cuisine and international dishes. On the way, we can spot Hadrian's Gate, also known as the Marble Gate, is a key attraction located in the city center of Antalya. It serves as the entrance to the historic Kalechi, old town of Antalya, and offers a scenic walk to the marina. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.